Here are the top 5 altcoins you need to buy before the Bitcoin halving. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a look at the top 5 altcoins that have crazy upside potential that you absolutely do not want to miss out on. With the beginning of the crypto bull run among us and the Bitcoin halving only days away, we're going to be looking at top 5 special altcoins, especially a pre-sale one that you're not going to want to miss out on. Let's go ahead and take a look at this list. First of all, the market is up by 1% today, which is awesome to see, and we're at a 76 on the greed and fear index, which is not too shabby, and we're seeing pretty much green across the boards at all cryptos, so we're super excited. Let's jump into the first coin on this list, and that is Solana. Solana currently trading for $172, and I have a feeling, guys, that Solana is going to copy the patterns of BNB. Once upon a time, BNB was also trading at prices just like how Solana is trading at right now, and now sitting close to 600, peaking at, I believe, close to $800 during last bull run, because a very similar thing was happening. The BSC trends, a lot of meme coins were listing on the Binance Smart Chain, and a lot of them had like taxes and fees to incentivize liquidity provided to Binance. Now, this bull run, we've been seeing a lot of coins list on Solana's network. Now, they haven't had the same tax structures that are going to add liquidity to Solana. However, the transaction fees and lots of volume on Solana, and people having to buy Solana to swap for Solana coins, in my opinion, means, okay, we're going to be getting a lot of liquidity for Solana as well, causing the price of Solana to rise simultaneously. So when we're looking at Solana's price at $172, can we easily see this 4x? Can we see another 800? Can we see Solana hit $800 this bull run? I mean, it's quite possible. We almost passed its previous all-time highs, which is sitting at close to 250. And when we're looking at Bitcoin, we go to when we go to Binance all-time highs, we're looking close to $650. So again, can we see a 650 Solana? It's quite possible. Regardless of the fact, I'm very bullish on Solana long term, and this is going to be a great coin to add to your list. The next coin on the list is a pre-sale coin, 99 Bitcoins. The 99 Bitcoins pre-sale is live, and they already raised over 130,000 US dollars, which is insane. This is before its first phase is over, which ends in 4 days. So you may want to grab a bag. This one's really cool, guys, because it's a future of learn to earn. Yes, you heard that right. You're gonna earn for your learning. Launching a new learn to earn token, 99 Bitcoin is designed to reward individuals for learning about cryptocurrency. The classic 99B platform is integrating with BRC20 to pioneer the learn to earn model on Bitcoin's blockchain. So they have over 700,000 followers, 2.8 million subscribers, and over 79 hours of training courses. They've been featured on tons of different places, and they're talking about this new learn to earn era with a legacy platform, integrated BRC20, and then the 99 tokens all paired together to let you earn on your learning. Not only got that, guys, they throw in a massive giveaway, which is live today. They're going to be giving away almost $100,000 worth of 99B Bitcoin. So we're airdropping a massive $100,000 worth of tokens to our 99 community members who joined the learn to earn revolution early. Grab your share of the 100,000 airdrop. To enter the airdrop, follow these steps: sign up on the 99B website, join our socials, submit your Bitcoin wallet address, and submit your wallet address you use in the pre-sale. As simple as that, you could participate in the $100,000 airdrop. This is absolutely solid. Now let's jump into the next coin on this list, which is XRP. Now I know XRP has a lot of love and hate. It has a massive community, which is very bullish for the most part, but there's a lot of XRP haters as well. But here's the thing, love it or hate it aside, let's put the facts on the table, and that is XRP's initiative in their new stablecoin. They're bringing a lot of money to the table, and they see the value that stablecoins have brought to the crypto market, and now XRP is finally dipping their toes in the water and saying, this is what we want to do next. And obviously, ever since they did that, we are seeing a small reflection of the price. We're seeing up 2% on the week. On the month, yeah, we're still down about 13%. We had a pretty bloody week, past couple of weeks actually, which is normal correction before the Bitcoin halving. But again, we're anticipating for XRP to finally have a reversal this bull run. Since 2017, XRP has not had its shine that it deserves. At one point peaking close to $3.36. I think we could easily see a $5 XRP. I know that sounds very bullish, but again, a top 6 cryptocurrency, $33 billion market cap, and now with a new stablecoin on the way, I think a lot of bullish things could come for XRP. And again, guys, it goes further past loving or hating or what our personal opinions and thoughts are. It comes back to the facts that bring to the table. If they bring the stablecoin in and they have all this money in and all this positive attention and news surrounds XRP, people start buying XRP again, adding more liquidity to the pool, and therefore raising the price. It's very, very simple. We see it time and time again. Now, next coin on this list is Cardano. Now, I think Cardano is a sleeping beast for a couple of reasons, because Cardano last bull run was promising to do what Binance did. And here's the thing, they haven't quite delivered on that just yet. People are saying, is Cardano dead? Is this project never going to recover? In my opinion, it's obviously not dead. It's a top 10 currency for a reason, guys, with a $20 billion market cap, green candles on the day. This is a sleeping beast. When they fully have their smart contracts running and people start building on the Cardano ecosystem, this is going to cause Cardano and ADA to absolutely go to the moon. And you're going to look back at this video and go like, damn, that guy Umar was saying something. Because it's possible, maybe towards the middle or the end of this bull run, Cardano starts picking up steam. And just like Binance, guys, which at one point was trading in the dollars, we can see Cardano trading upwards of $100, $200, just like Solana is right now. It wasn't a long time ago where Solana was trading for less than a couple bucks as well, guys, which is absolutely insane, right? And then could Cardano see the same fate as Solana and Binance? At one point, Cardano was peaking at $3-ish. So at minimum, we're going to see a 6x, if not 100x, which is quite possible, or even potentially even a higher price for Solana. I don't know. I'm pretty bullish on Solana long term, guys. I know there's a lot of, again, haters for Solana or for ADA and also for XRP, but the proof is in the pudding. When these smart contracts are live, when people start building on Cardano, it's going to reflect in the price, absolutely. And then the last coin on this altcoin list that you want to buy before the bull run is over, before the Bitcoin halving, is, drumroll please, AVAX. Yes, AVAX, for a very similar reason. AVAX is, again, people are already building on AVAX and it's becoming a popular chain as we speak. Yes, it's not as popular as Solana, but I think AVAX and Base are coming pretty close. People want to build on these networks that are less popular for now, but they're going to have a cult-like following. With AVAX already, AVAX launched a $100 million meme coin fund that's eligible for projects that are at least a month old, meaning any project that's a month old on AVAX is able to participate in a $100 million meme coin fund. This is basically going to help fund these newer meme projects. And why is that important? Because, okay, you build a meme project on AVAX, which is great because when people buy AVAX to swap for the AVAX coins, is adding liquidity. But now also you incentivize people to build on AVAX because it's $100 million reward. So now people are incentivized to build on it. But now also these projects could take that money and increase the marketing efforts, so bring more people into the project, which brings more money to AVAX, and it's a whole beautiful circle cycle. Do you see where I'm going here? Therefore, if money's going to be pouring into AVAX, the price of AVAX is going to go up. It's my personal opinion. It's going to cause this puppy to go absolutely to the moon. That's why I definitely load up a bag of AVAX. Again, at $17 billion market cap, top 11 cryptocurrency. You can't go wrong here. That was a quick look, guys, at my top 5 altcoins to buy before the Bitcoin halving. Make sure you take a look at the 99 Bitcoins pre-sale, especially if you want to participate in that $100,000 airdrop. I'm going to link everything in the description below so you can check it out. That pretty much wraps up the video. Like always, guys, not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. And that wraps up this video. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.